Welcome to the Voxcraft AI Studio training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to generate video in Voxcraft AI Studio. Go to the left menu and click on Videos. Now here you can add audio to make a video. Upload audio from your local or URL. Or record an audio. Or you can add a text-to-speech script. Once you add the audio,
Making money online offers flexibility and endless possibilities. Start by
you can transcribe audio in your desired language. Click on Next and your audio will be open in our exclusive audio editor. You can edit your audio here.
Making money online, making most possibilities. Start by identifying your skills or interests, whether freelancing, blogging, abilities. Start by
you can trim your audio. Undo or redo any action. You can cut any part from the audio. Set the speed of your audio.
Making money online offers flexibility.
Set the volume of your audio.
Services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr.
Add background music to your audio. You can upload a file locally or you can add it via our music library. Set background music volume. Click on Next and add the video title and video cover to your video. And your video will be ready. You can see your video in the Manage Video section. You can play your video.
Making money online offers flexibility and endless possibilities. Start by identifying your skills or interests, whether freelancing, blogging, affiliate marketing.
You can edit your video. Share and embed your video on any website. Download or delete your video. Thanks for watching the video.